Nice to meet you, Cymye. Please introduce yourself first.
My name is Cymye, and I am Brazilian living in China for 10 years, and I mainly do product review on YouTube.
And what is your first impression of the IdeaHub?
In fact, I was very impressed about this product because when we go to many places, we need to have many devices, but in IdeaHub we can just have everything in one product. You can have camera, microphone, speakers, and you can have the big screen. You can project everything you want. And I feel very interactive because you can share with other people and the people can work together. This I feel very impressed.
As we know that you already tried the product in your AliExpress live broadcast, would you share some experience of this trial?
I really like to use this one on AliExpress Live because this one will help me a lot to introduce the products. It's very easy to use, and then you can really highlight the products' details and the functionalities. This one will help me a lot, really help a lot.
After the trial, would you recommend the HUAWEI IdeaHub to your colleagues, to your friends, and in which aspect will the IdeaHub help them most?
In fact, I will share with everybody. I really want everybody to use because this one, many people can use it in many ways. I think you only need to have creativity to use this one. You can use this one for meetings. You can use this one for teaching. I think for those people who also want to make some money because of the COVID situation, I think they can also use this one to build some kind of e-books. And because of COVID, you know, many people need to stay at home. So I think this product will help a lot, especially for sharing. I think with the IdeaHub you can connect with many people everywhere in the world.
Yeah, thank you.